Our beautiful body has an ability to do actions as well as to produce weird noises. Sometimes it could be embarrassing when we are in meeting or in the public gatherings. So what exactly these noises and actions are called in English? That's what we are going to learn today. If you will like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the updates. First is hum. Hum means a low and steady continuous sound like These little girls love to hum new songs. Next is giggle. ये giggle क्या है? Giggle is very joyful laugh like huh? These kids giggle throughout the movie. Sniff is to breathe air in a way that makes a sound. She took a deep sniff of the perfume. चैन की सांस लेना, आहें भरना, which is called sigh, S-I-G-H. He gave a sigh of relief after completing his project. Slurp. Slurp is to drink or eat with a loud sucking noise. For example, don't slurp while having tea or coffee. To speak very softly or to keep a secrecy called whisper. She whispered to the girl next to her. Oh, someone is missing me. This is called hiccup. She is breathing okay, but sometimes I hear a hiccup noise. Snap your finger is to make noise by pushing your second finger against your thumb, जिसे हम कहते हैं चुटकी बजाना. We have two kinds of vocabulary in Hindi. दांत पीसना और दांत किटकिटाना. Both are called grind the teeth. Some people grind their teeth when they are angry, concentrating or feeling anxious. Anxious means nervous. Some people have a habit to crack their knuckles after completion of every work. Noisily release air from the stomach through the mouth called belch or burp. Don't burp so loud, it's not polite. When you have cold, you sneeze achhi a lot. Next word is snore or snuffling, जिसे हम कहते हैं खर्राटे मारना. John began to snore at midnight. I think I am very tired. I can't stop yawning. But try to make one sentence with the vocabulary cough in the comment section.